My dear children, how are all of you? I hope you all must be eagerly waiting for the homeworks to be dropped in your groups so that you can start your studies. So, now let's start with chapter 1 of your English literature. The name of the chapter is The Golden Fountain. Children, this story is about a girl named Sana who, at the end of the story, found that all that glitters or shines may not be as beautiful as we feel or as they appear. So now let's start with the story. Sana was a very pretty girl and she used to live in a house, and her house was on the side of a hill. From her garden she was able to see another house. But the surprising thing about another house was that that house was having a fountain which was golden in color. Now, Sana herself was having a fountain. As children, you can see here in the picture, she was also having a fountain in her garden, but that fountain was not golden color. Now, because of the golden color fountain, she always wanted to visit that beautiful house. Whenever she looked at the fountain, she always wished to visit that house. So, and time and again, she used to ask her mother, that mother, that house fountain is golden color, then why my own fountain is so plain? That means there is no color in my fountain. So mother every time used to say that, dear Sana, our own fountain is as beautiful as theirs. Means their own fountain was also beautiful in the same way as the golden fountain was. So now, on her birthday, she was gifted with a cycle by her parents. And soon Sana learned to ride the bicycle very well. Now, when she was comfortable with the bike, one day she asked her mother, Mother, please allow me to visit to the hill in front of our house, because she was very anxious to see the golden fountain. So mother said, yes, you could go, but you have to be back before dark. Means before evening she had to come back home. Now Sana, she got agreed and she cycled her way. Cycled means she rode her cycle to the house with the golden fountain. But very surprising. Something was very surprising. Now, children, what was that surprising? That the fountain, which seemed of golden color from her own house, was actually not made of gold. The fountain was not made of gold. The fountain was not golden. And nor does it have the golden water. Even the water was plain, as her own fountain was having the plain, the colorless water. So now, fountain, the golden fountain, which she seemed was of golden color, that was made up of stone, and the water was also very plain. Now, after that, Sana came to know. Then she began riding her bicycle to return home. Now she again looked towards her house. Now her own fountain was of golden color. That means when she was sitting in her own house, the other house fountain was of golden color. But now when she is very close to the other house, her own fountain was of golden color. Now Sana understood the what exactly had happened. It was the rays of the sun that made the fountain gold. So now Sana returned happily because he found out the secret. What was the secret? Secret was that all that glitters is not gold. Whatever seems beautiful may not be beautiful in the real sense. So this is very beautiful story. What was the moral of the story? All that glitters is not gold. Now children, come to the exercise. First we have to answers orally. First question is, where was Sana's house? Yes children, Sana's house was on the side of a hill. I am going to write down the answers so that you can note it down. Here I am writing the answers. Just a minute children, give me a minute. Yes. Sana's house was on the side of the hill. You can note it down children, and children please mark Sana's S will be capital because it's a proper noun. Now tick the correct answer. Sana could see another dash from her garden. What is the answer? Very right. Sana could see another house from her garden. Sana's father presented her a bicycle on her birthday. And I know all my children are very intelligent. They already know all the answers. Sana realized that her fountain is as dash as the fountain in the other house, as beautiful as the fountain in the other house. Now coming down to true and false, children. Sana had a golden fountain in her garden. Is it true or false? There is a doubt. Sana had a no. We have to mark it as false because the fountain was not golden. Sana learned to ride a bicycle. Yes, she learned up when she was gifted a bicycle on her birthday. So the answer is true. Sana's mother did not like the plain fountain in the neighbor's house. No, this is false because Sana's mother said that, dear Sana, the other house fountain is as beautiful as we are having in our own garden. Now, the next is the fountain was not made of gold. Yes, of course, fountain was not made of gold. Rather, because of the rays of the sun, it was shining. The fountain, which was made up of stone, and the water that seemed to be of golden color. So, what next? Are we having anything else? Question answers, children. We will send the PDF for the question answers. Oh my God, all the answers are gone. Now let me mark once again, just within 2 minutes I am going to mark all the answers. This is false, this is true, so that you can note it down, then false, and then true. Yeah, right. So okay children, now you have to read the chapter. After going through the video, read the chapter, mark the back exercise, and the rest of the exercises which are of the grammar, that I will make another video for that. Children, bye.